Today I'm here to share my favorite solar-powered rechargeable security camera. I've had this since June and I absolutely love it. It comes with a solar panel so it stays charged non-stop. One thing to note during setup is that when you're selecting the charging options, you want to select the auto charge configuration. That way the camera will continuously charge via the solar panel. Setup is super easy. You just follow the instructions and use all the screws that they need. I did not have to use any of the anchors because I just screwed right into the wood and that worked great for me. This setup ensures that no one would be able to take your camera down, which is great. Once you've installed the camera, you can install the hardware for the solar panel. It's super easy just to twist on, and then you can keep readjusting until you get the solar panel wherever you want. Then you can just adjust as needed. Once the solar panel is connected to the back of the camera, you're ready to roll. You can pre-charge the camera before putting it outside and get it all set up with the app ahead of time. I already had the Vico app connected on my phone because I have 2 additional cameras from this company, so all I had to do is take 1 second just to link the new camera. I really love how clear the camera is, and it's great both at daytime and at night. The camera even catches what's going on a half a street down. Overall, I'm super happy and I would definitely purchase more of these cameras.